to the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Redbox Entertainment, and today the stock is down 31%, trading at $10.46. So what exactly is going on with Redbox Entertainment? I don't see any PR. I don't know what exactly is going on with this stock. But what I can tell you is that over the past 5 days, 5 trading sessions, the stock has doubled in value. And today it has given back most of that value. If you look, you can see that around the 9th of June this year, the stock was trading at about $9. And then by the Monday, that's yesterday, the stock was about $17. So basically almost twice what it was worth on Friday. And today, which is Tuesday, the 14th of June, the stock has given back most of those gains and is down to $10.31. So the volume today is quite high at 28 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to an average volume of 19 million shares. The stock opened today at $11.50. The previous close was $15.27. And today's the stock has ranged anywhere from $8.90 all the way up to $12.90. The 52-week range for Redbox Entertainment is $1.61 all the way up to $27.22. And just bear in mind that on the 11th of May 2022, it was announced that Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment will be acquiring Redbox, and that would have created that would create a giant entertainment company. And so that's the story that I have as of right now. I don't have anything else that will explain why the stock is dropping so hard. Let's see here. So yeah, that's what I have concerning Redbox Entertainment. We will just keep a very close watch. But surprisingly, if you look at the bottom of your screens, you would see that the performance outlook from analysts that are covering Redbox Entertainment, short term, mid term, and long term, they are all very, very bullish about this stock. So it's very mind-boggling to see the stock paradoxically drop 31.76%, whereas all the indicators show that it should be heading upwards to the moon. Today wasn't a great day on Wall Street. You guys can see at the top of your screens, the S&P 500 was down 0.77%, the Dow 30 down 0.91%, Nasdaq down 0.34%, Russell 2000 down 0.80%, and crude oil is down 2.07%. The US markets will be closing in about 52 minutes. So I will jump off here, allow you guys to put in your last trades before the markets closed. And don't forget, guys, if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. That way we can hit the 1,000 subscriber mark by the midterm elections in November. Right now, we are at 499 subscribers. So we are waiting for the 500th subscriber, and then that will give us a little cause to mark that milestone with a little celebration. Thank you, guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye now.